So, Reinvent Life Sciences.
Is it working? Yeah. Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Dhruv Trivedi and I am the founder of Reinvent Life Sciences. I am here to tell you a short story. It dates a year back. I was at my college reunion party and all my friends were there. So we were having a great time because guess what? It was happy hours. So we were drinking our hearts out, and the next day I woke up at 12 p.m. I guess. I missed my office, had horrible hangovers, feeling nausea, and I was all over the place. And my friends were feeling the same way. So this is what happened actually, and then we regretted not to drink henceforth. Then I had this idea that why does hangovers occur, and is there any cure or prevention towards it? So what is hangover? Hangover is an unpleasant condition which occurs because of excess amount of alcohol consumption. These are the common hangover symptoms: headache, nausea, diarrhea, dehydration, stomach upset. Now these are some facts related to hangovers. Research shows that 75% of the drinkers suffer from hangovers. There is a combined loss of productivity worth $222 billion every year because of hangovers. People not only have lack of sleep and loss of concentration, but they also suffer from psychological effects like anxiety and depression. And hangovers can last from 4 hours to 24 hours. The consumption in India is growing at 30% year-on-year basis, alcohol consumption, and the global consumption is way more. The hangovers depend on 4 critical factors: genetics, age, gender, and type. The symptoms can be aggravated by smoking and drinking added drinks. Now, humankind has been plagued with hangovers since 1000 BC. Okay, and the first cure was to grind the beak of the bird, and they used to eat it. Okay, and currently, normally now, these are the the approaches towards it: pills, painkillers, coffee, and nimbu pani. So, in some 2000 years, 3000 years, we have evolved from beaks to nimbu pani. Okay, so after some 8 months of clinical research, market surveys, consumer surveys, we found Reinvent Life Sciences now is proud to present you one of the most revolutionary product, India's first anti-hangover drink, Antidus. It not only reduces the hangover symptoms, it also detoxifies the liver and helps in digestion. Above that, it's 100% natural and doesn't have any side effects. This product will in itself launch a new product category in itself, a new market segment in itself: anti-hunger products. Right? It doesn't interfere with any medications, and we've got certification from the Food and Drug Administration Authority. Sorry. We have three variants of this product: as 20-gram sachet in 2 flavors, 250 ml PET bottle, and a transdermal enzyme patch. This is how alcohol actually goes through our body. From the intestines goes into the brain. There we feel the psychedelic effects and the euphoric feelings, and then it goes to liver where it gets metabolized. And the byproduct of the intermediates is acetaldehyde, and that's the main villain actually. It causes the hangovers, and it is 10 to 30 times more toxic than alcohol itself, and it is group 1 human carcinogen. So the only way to tackle hangovers is to neutralize or metabolize acetaldehyde, and that is what exactly Antidus does. So this is a short formulation, in brief, of Antidus sachet form and the bottle form, which focuses on neutralizing the acetaldehyde content in the body, whereas the transdermal patch focuses on the metabolism of acetaldehyde in the body. A very easy to use, non-invasive delivery method, and has better drug absorption. We can make these claims based on our published research papers. Our controlled product efficacy trials, wherein we had 20 subjects on which we tried our product, and about 90% of them had positive results. They didn't feel hangovers after consumption of alcohol, after consumption of Antidus with it. We are certified from Maharashtra FDA. We are based in Bombay. The revenue model is basically FMCG OTC model, and the pricing structure is 35 rupees per sachet, 50 rupees for a PET bottle, and around 100 to 120 rupees for a transdermal enzyme patch. Okay, so there is no competition in India. It places in a very unique position in India, as in to create the best market share, create a huge brand equity, and that's about it. So there is no competition in India. It's one of its product in India. The idea is both sustainable and scalable. The formulation is efficient as well as stable. And the 3 variants will provide options, value, and price flexibility to our consumers. Currently, we did some test marketing in Mumbai. We are present in 87 outlets, and we started getting repeat orders without any marketing done. We've also got excellent feedback, consumer feedback, and 17 we had over 17 online orders without any online marketing. We are currently, as we speak of, we are doing market research in Mumbai itself. We are doing 5,000 consumer surveys and 1,000 vendor surveys. And we are negotiating for 3 export deals in Europe and South America. We're in talks with the leading e-commerce platforms in India as well, and the patent process is pending right now. So we are also other products in our pipeline, innovative products, and this is a team. We have a team ranging from.
What is Reinvent Life Sciences? Judges, over to you.
I'm Abhishek, part of the team Reinvent. So what you're saying is you go get drunk, and the last drink you have this, and you're fine. First drink or the last drink? Anything. Huh? Anything, first drink or the last drink. Make it your first drink or the last drink. It doesn't matter.
Typically the last drink.
Does it stop you being groggy? Absolutely. Groggy too? No. Absolutely.
Yes.
You won't feel you had alcohol last evening.
It has a bit of caffeine in it, which will also stimulate your central nervous system.
How long to get the impact?
As in?
As in, after how long do you feel the impact of this?
After 15 minutes. After 15-20 minutes, you start working.
Then you can start drinking again.
If you want to.
More, you don't even drink. Kya? Why are you asking?
We are not promoting alcohol consumption, by the way.
Sorry, what does it mean by 100% natural? I don't understand. How can...
With all the extracts we have used are already present in our bodies. We are not using any active pharmaceutical ingredients into it. So we are just having a supplement. We are increasing the natural mechanism of the body. We are supplementing the mechanism to act in a better way.
Can Thai supply this today after the cocktails?
I can.
Are there competing or similar products in other countries?
Yes, in US there is a product called Security, but our formulation is way better than them.
In what way?
They have only herbal extracts, and that focuses more on detoxification of liver, not on the anti-hangover effects.
20 seconds.
So do you use the bars as a distribution channel?
Yes, bars, liquor retail shops, wine shops, and
Even chemist shops.
druggists.
8 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, Reinvent Life Sciences.